Hello everyone. You want to make money online, but not sure where to start. I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you want to start a side hustle to create massive income or build a full-time business. Let's get into it.
A tech company, let's say I had an online educational platform that turned over $150 million a year.
You could buy a building for $10 million and then sell it to somebody else for $11 million.
That's how you get rich. Not by working hard and putting in a stupid 401k full of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs.
First up, freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you turn your skills into cash. If you're a total beginner, don't worry. Start with small steps and build up your portfolio. The more you work, the more you will get paid. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you already love and earn a commission when people buy through your links. It's that simple. You don't need average following. Just start a blog or a YouTube channel and let's go. Method 3. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in something, people will pay to learn from you. Websites like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to set up and start earning passive income. Once your course is alive, it can make you money while you asleep. It's not good? E-commerce. You don't need a physical store to sell products. Start with dropshipping or print-on-demand services, where you don't have to worry about inventory. Set up a Shopify store and you're ready to go. So there you have 5 proven ways to make money online in 2025. The best part, you don't need a ton of experience. You just pick one method, start, stay consistent, and watch the results roll in. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on how to make money online. See you guys.